So welcome guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the easy step on how you can connect your CEXIO Power Tap, that is the Power Tap on which you are mining this CEXIO on Telegram, how you can connect it directly to the actual trading app. If you don't know, you have to just know now. CEXIO is one of the biggest airdrop that is going to be launching in the Q4 of 2024, that is barely few months from now. CEXIO is actually an exchange which is already live. To check CEXIO is one of the top 100, from 1 to 100 is one of the top 100 exchanges available. You can check it on CoinMarketCap. Now if you are seeing this video as a short, most definitely I won't be able to explain all I have to say. The navigation process within just see, so make sure you just subscribe and just quickly hop in to watch the full video on my main video feed. So now this is how you are going to do it, guys. Now this video is basically me showing you how you can connect your own connect this your Telegram bot to the actual trading app, because it is on that trading app you are going to be seeing what you have mined so far. Now I don't want to just make this video lengthy, but if you are not yet mining CEXIO, just quickly check down the description box. There is a link below for you to mine CEXIO available, or you just go down to my playlist, just navigate to my playlist. I made I took my time to make tutorial videos on how you can properly mine CEXIO airdrop. There are full tutorial videos, so watch all of them so you mine it carefully. The time is already far gone already, just barely few months left, but you can just mine and have some good amount of CEXIO coin, because this is going to be the native token of the trading app, just as Binance have BNB, BitGet have BGB. So you can understand that this airdrop is going to actually be big, so you guys have to take it serious. I made a detailed explanation on how to properly mine, what is the difference between mining power, crypto balance, the tax. I actually explained a lot, so I won't want to do that now because it will consume time. This video is for you to know how to if you have come this far, for you to know how to connect this your trading bot, your mining bot, to the trading app itself, because that is where, because they are already an exchange that is live, that is where the coin is going to be listed for you. You understand? So first of all, what you need to do is that you can download the CEXIO trading app on iOS, that is for those that are using Apple, or you just go to Google Play Store. Now if you want to do this, just quickly come to this airdrop section. On your top right, you are going to look at this airdrop section. This way, once you click on it and it loads up, please guys, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please make sure you like, you comment and subscribe, because I always post for you legit information on how to earn. If you don't know, I already did a video on how you can earn free ton, so some people are already earning. So just quickly scroll down my video log so you can see there are a lot of videos on my channel already. So quickly, if you just come here, you are going to see this three dash icon. So once you click on it, what is going to pop up is sign in and register. What they mean by sign in is for you to just log in if you already have an account. What register simply means is for you to register afresh. So what you are going to do here is that once you tap on this sign in that is here, it is going to just direct you either to Google Play Store or to iOS. Now this is what you are going to do. Pay attention carefully. Now once you now tap on register, once you get to CEXIO trading app itself, what you are going to see there is that they are going to just ask you basically how to create an account. If you are creating an account, they are going to ask you for your email. Ensure that you use a working email, an email that you can have access to. Don't go and borrow somebody's email. Ensure you register with a working email. They are going to ask you to input a password. The password should be at least 8-digit characters or more. Ensure that password has capital letters, small letters, numbers, and at least maybe some punctuations like that to make your password very strong. Now once you are done with those basic registration process, the next step they are going to ask you is for you to from that trading app, they are going to now ask you to link connect this your CEXIO trading app to this your Telegram bot. So you are going to be doing everything from there. So once you connect it, immediately you have connected successfully, what is going to load up is going to show you directly what you actually have mined on the CEXIO trading app. If you have not actually started mining anything, obviously nothing will be showing there. So what you need to do is to just come back to your Telegram and start to mine. Make sure you watch my tutorial video so you know how to mine properly and not just mine scatteredly and not earn anything. Go and watch the playlist. I took my time to make full explanation on how to do it. Remember again, just come download the app on iOS or on Google Play Store. This is the logo. This is it on my top left. CEXIO. You register, input your email, password, then they will going to ask you, there's they're going to now tell you to now connect the CEXIO trading app to what your Telegram. So once you connect it, it's going to tell you connected successfully. Then what is going to be displayed on your home page on that trading app is how to what is going to show you coming soon the CEXIO token that you have mined so far. If nothing is displaying there, that means you have not started mining properly. Now the next step is for KYC verification. I'm going to be doing a separate video on that, how to verify your CEXIO app. If you don't know how to verify, kindly indicate in the comment section, and make sure you tap on the link. If you are not yet farming CEXIO, you should start mining it, because this is going to be one of the biggest airdrop. Kindly make sure you position yourself properly. Please guys, make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.